How many significant figures does 0.375 have? This decimal number have three significant digit, though it has totally four digit. Out of this four digit, these 375 are significant. This zero is not significant because look, rule number 3 here, leading zeros, those to the left of the first non-zero digit. Here first non-zero digit is 3. Those to the left of the first non-zero digit are called leading zeros, are not significant. They are just placeholders. Okay, so this 0 is just placeholder. This is the whole number part, this is fractional part. So since this 0 before a non-zero digit, so this is not significant. So how many significant figures? 3. Which are the 375? This 0 is leading 0.